Boys, there's something called close quarters combat. And what I mean is, Louisiana woods are about that thick. Y'all see this? This thick. That was my end trail. I come in through right there. You can't do nothing but drag bushes, so you got to go super slow. The guy that was calling just yelled, "Hey!" Anyway, he has spooked him. Some people, not that guy maybe, have run him out of that clear cut 2, 3, 4 times. And I knew they were coming to this side. And I thought there was a little thin patch down along this creek, and there was not. We got right here. They were gobbling in the roost that way. So I hooked around the hill and got down here in this edge of this greenhead. It's literally right there, 50 yards. That's the greenhead, and then the clear cut. And the clear cut's too grown up really for them to be in, but you know, little open patches they try to hit. Another turkey just flew that way. I bet that guy's moving across that clear cut real loud, kind of mad. I hate to do that, but this is public land, and I did know what they were going to do before he did, or better. I got where I thought I was close enough, and they're in the clear part of that greenhead, but I couldn't get down there, it's too thick. So I made a couple calls. A couple soft yelps, and boy, they hammered to it. That guy goes, call, 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 call. And I do about a 3-note yelp. Second guy, well, I could tell they were a little bit closer. I said, well, they're on the search, so let me be still. There's 2 of them gobbling together. About the second gobble, they were 60, 70 yards. And you can't see 10. I can see 10 yards maybe. He yelled, hey again. I'm gonna go quiet for a second. He's still walking around over there yelling, hey. I don't know why. I didn't even put my glove or mask on. You can't see. By the time I could see him, I could shoot him. I heard a drum right around that corner right there. So I did the old. Anyway, chum, chum. Oh boy, right there. About that time I see him half walk. Right there, about 8 yards. About 8 yards is where I could see him. And I let him walk to 4 yards. To actually see how many steps. One, 2, 3, 4. I capped him too. He goes, beak, nothing. Well, that's pretty. About 9 inches. Every sunrise can't be perfect. You can make it a heck of a day if you get out there and try. That's all I'm saying. Killer walks happen on ugly days too. Good luck.